we talked about the banana. What's with the pickle?
Yeah, the pickle's a really funny one because again, gun memes. Like I feel like our generation and a lot of people who are coming into the firearms industry like grew up on gun memes, and memes are a huge thing. So the term whisper pickle was like thrown around as we were developing the big banana gun because originally we were just modeling suppressors to put on the end of the banana gun, and that was all good and fine, but it wasn't quite goofy enough. And uh, as you'll get to know us, like goofiness is our bread and butter. It's part of our soul. And so the whisper pickle was one of those things, and I was just like, I'll just model up a pickle. Let's just make a pickle with a um, half 28 thread on it. And you had the idea of everyone loves candy, so like let's just make a thing on the end so you can put candy on it. And I came up with a I don't know if it's a great pickle model.
It's a great pickle model.
We've had it compared to a couple other more fallacious things, but that's the story behind the pickle. It's kind of a throwback meme because if you were a 90s kid and you ever bought something, like sometimes they just threw in a bag of candy with it. So why not?
Yeah.